Hello to the first semester students of BCom. This is Professor Deepa Tangankar dealing with financial accounting. In the previous class, I was completing this particular problem regarding preparation of cattle account. I had to stop the particular video just because of lack of time. I had to stop the video and then continue with the next one. So this is the continuation of the previous video. uh, we had stopped till depreciation. So depreciation is of 7,500, which has been given. Next is insurance of rupees 3,750 is again an expense. So to insurance 3,750. Now this point, that is all the other expenses are being taken except this one transaction, that is out of calves born during the year. Four died and the carcasses of the calves did not realize anything. So uh, this sentence has to be, this entry has to be passed. Before this, we'll close the account because there is no other entry to be passed. So we'll close the account. So here, what is the closing? So the total of it is 13,28,250. So both the sides the total is written as 13,28,250, and there's a profit. So the debit side is more. The expenses are running shortage. So to net profit, and the amount is how much? I'm sorry, the net profit is not 2 lakh 44,000. Net profit will turn to, yeah, 2 lakh 44,500, which this net profit is being transferred to P&L account. Okay, so I'll write here transfer to P&L account. Okay, general P&L account. All right, so this is the cattle account. We need to tally this particular amount or this particular column also. Like the way we had tallied the amount column, same way we need to tally this also, cattle number. Okay, so to finish off with this cattle number, there is one entry which we have left out. That is, out of calves born during the year, four died and the carcasses of the calves did not realize anything. So for this we need to pass an entry as to what is the number of to find out what is the number of calves born, because we need to find out the total, how many were dead, how many are alive. Okay, how many calf cases are alive, cattle are alive, what is the number of newborns, and so on. So we need to find out the total of it. So we will pass an entry for this journal. We'll have a calculation being done for this. So calculation of calves born. Okay, now here we will prepare a we'll make two columns. One is particulars and one is amount. Okay, so particulars and next is the amount column. So what is the next thing that we have? We are finding out the calves born. Okay, so first we'll take number of calves sold during the year. See, it's already been given in the question, that is number of calves sold. Here it is. Sale of cattle, that is 150, and the amount is how much? 5,62,500. So amount has been done. We have already calculated here. Now we'll just take the number. So number of cattle sold during the year is how much? 150. So let's go to the note. Number of calves sold during the year. During the year, it is how much? The number is how much? 150. It should not be amount here, it should be number. Just make the correction, because we are just finding out the number table, not the amount one. Okay, so it is 150. Next, after this, after we have number of cows being sold during the year, then we add the purchase, after number of cows during the year, next is we add number of sludged cattle, number of yes, sludged cattle. So after we add the sludged cattle, then we add number of carcasses cattle. Okay, so carcasses cattle is how much? 5. It's already been given on top. Okay, next, after this, we get the number of closing stock of cattle. So number of closing stock of cattle, and the amount and the number is how much? 115. Total of this, what do you get is? Total of this, what you get is how much? That is 150 plus 40 plus 5 plus 115, which turns to be 310. After this, we need to minus the less we need to minus the opening stock of capital. So opening stock of cattle, opening stock of cattle. And how much is the opening stock of cattle? Opening stock of cattle is 300. Remember this, we need to minus, or I'll write it in the inner column best. This is 300 opening, that is not 300, 100. Okay, next, after this, we have next we add the purchases. So number of cattle being purchased during the year. So purchases, purchase of cattle, how much have we purchased during the year? It is 200. It's there in the above information, just check it out. Okay, this will be in the outer column, which turns to be 300. Next, after this, you have, after this we get the number. This is nothing but, that is, once you minus this, that is this total minus 300 will turn to be 10. Okay, so number of cows survived is 10. That is from number of, I'll just tell it from beginning. Number of cows sold during the year is 150. Add number of sludged cattle, that is sludged is nothing but the animals being cut. Okay, so number of sludged cattle is 40. Number of carcassed cattle is 5, and then number of closing stock of cattle is 115. So total of this goes to 310. less opening stock of cattle, that is 100, and purchases 200. Total of this is 300. When you minus 300 from 310, you get 10, that is nothing but number of calves survived. Okay, add number of calves died during the year, which is given in the question, that is 4. So number of calves born are 14. Okay, so this has to be added to the cattle account. Okay, this number is there, right? Number column is there. No, here we need to add. So I'll just take it to the end. So I'll just take it over here. That is, so in cattle account we'll record this particular transaction, that is of 10 calves born. So 2, here it comes to the debit side. 2 calves born how many have? One is you have got to add the opening, that is calves born. Calves born is how much? 14. We have just calculated right now. Okay, that is you can write here as note 1. Okay, N1, close the bracket. What is the number here? 10. Oh, sorry, 14. Okay, next is you less the calves died. Okay, so less calves died, which is 4, which is given in the question. Okay, so calves died is 4. Total it out, and to the outer column you will have 10. To the outer column you will have 10. Okay, so to the outer column you have 10. Now you total the number column. Okay, total of this, that is, when you total it out, here it is 150 plus 40 plus 5 plus 115, which goes to 310. Same you will write it to the expenses side, 310. Okay, balance of it, if you see the number column, this must tally, that is 100 plus 200 plus 10, 310, and here 150 plus 40 plus 5 plus 115 will also range to 310. Okay, I hope you have understood this particular problem. If any doubt, please let us know. I hope you have understood this note 1. Okay, that is calves born. This is basically done for the number column. Okay, hope you have analyzed this particular problem to you have understood this particular problem, and if any doubts, please let us know. Thank you.